for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rose, and we're cooking with Carolina Cooker today. We've got our cast iron griddle and our double burner stove. Today we're going to be doing a nice take on just an easy breakfast. We're doing venison sausage burritos. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to hit the griddle with oil. I'm going to throw on venison here. While my venison's cooking, I'm going to put on the hash browns. We're just going to kind of pat those down and let them cook up real nice. Now, one thing that you're going to want to do with your hash browns while they're cooking, you're going to want to hit it with a little salt and pepper. While you kind of saute the venison, we're going to go ahead and make maybe like a little circle right here inside, and we're going to put our onions right in there. We're going to let those saute along with the meat. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the butter. You may not need all this butter. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons on that. All right, so with the venison just about ready, we're going to want to go ahead and take our egg, and we're just going to pour this right on top. And we're going to take this and we're going to just roll it right in here. We're going to take the tortilla here. We're going to take one of my favorite parts of the burritos, the cheese. Roll that cheese right here. Then we're just going to take a nice scoopful of that. If you like a little bit of heat, you can go ahead and put a little hot sauce on her. I like my Carolina Cooker hot sauce, so we're going to put that right on top here. All right, so that is our venison sausage burrito. One of the best things about harvesting an animal is being able to bring it home and cook it for your friends and family. I hope you all enjoy this, and we will see you next time.